Broccoli helps reduce inflammation, keeping blood sugar stable, and strengthening the immune system. Consuming broccoli every day can contribute to stronger bones and reduce the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Bell pepper is excellent sources of vitamins A and C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than citrus fruits. These are also a rich source of beta-carotene, which boosts your immune system. Bell peppers also keep your skin and eyes healthy. Let's stir-fry broccoli and bell pepper. Broccoli, bell pepper, cubes bell pepper. Break broccoli into florets with knife. Heat oil. Stir fry 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add bell peppers. Add broccoli. Add 3 tablespoons water, simmer, and cook broccoli. One teaspoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. Add cornstarch water to thickening the sauce. Cornstarch powder and water at 1:1 ratio. Plate. Stir-fry broccoli with bell pepper is done. This recipe is easy and delicious. Cook and share it with your family too. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Broccoli has very low calories, which meets the needs of weight loss and fitness. There are only 35 calories per 100 grams of broccoli. Compared with other vegetables, broccoli is really suitable for weight loss. In addition to being low in calories, broccoli also has a characteristic that is rare among other vegetables. That is, it can bring a strong feeling of satiety. Bell pepper reduce fat and lose weight. The colorful pepper contained in colorful peppers can promote the metabolism of fat and prevent the accumulation of fat in the body, which is beneficial to lowering fat, losing weight, and preventing diseases. Hope you like my recipe sharing. follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more delicious broccoli recipes in my channel. Do check it out too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.